ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? SAT Math University Entrance Exam እንደሚከተለው ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። Let us see this. It says 3 minus 278 minus 3 to the power 3 times 36 divided by 9 plus 7. In this case, we apply BODMAS. That means in case of BODMAS, we take what first? Bracket, then division, then multiplication, then addition. Lastly, we consider that is subtraction. So from this, here we have two brackets. ሁለት ብራኬቶች አሉ. One the outer one and here we have the inner one. እዚህ ጋር ሌላ bracket. So first let's try to solve this. It consists 36 divided by 9 plus 7. It have division as well as addition. So first you'll try to solve what? Division. Division እንሰራለን. This becomes 3 minus 278 minus 3 the power of 3 means that is 27. So 36 divided by 9 which is equals 4. 4 plus 7. When you come to here, this is equals to 3 minus in the bracket 278 minus 27 times 4 plus 7 is that is 11 times 11. In the bracket we have subtraction and multiplication. Bracket ውስጥ ምን አለ? Subtraction እና multiplication ስላለን first let's try to solve that is multiplication. Simplify this. This is 11. This is equals 7 which is 2 which is 7 which is 2. This becomes 7 9 and 297. So this becomes 3 minus 8 minus 297. Here we go. But the difference between 278 and minus 297, which is equals 3 minus the 17 minus 8, that is 9. 8, this becomes 8. Yes. 8 minus 7, that is 1. Since 278 is less than 297, then it becomes negative 1. Now, which is equals 3. Negative times negative becomes positive. This is 3 plus 9. But the result, this is equals to, the answer is 20. ብዙዎቹ ተማሪዎች you missed this one. ብዙዎቹ ሚስ ታደርጋላችሁ። ምንድነው ያደረጋችሁት? አንዳንድ ተማሪዎች as over there you have to take what? The difference and then simply multiply it by 3. በ3 አባዝታችሁ ያስቀምጣችኋል። ለምሳሌ 3 into negative 9 which is equals negative 57 ያላችኋል። Some of the students say this is 3 times 19 which is equals 57. You say this. And different forms ነው ይሰራችሁ። ስለዚህ first you will try to solve the bracket. In the bracket we have another bracket ሊኖር ይችላል like this. ካለን you have to observe the operations that we have. ያሉን ኦፕሬሽኖች እና division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. ስለዚህ ከዛ ውስጥ division ካለን division የመጀመሪያውን እንሰራለን። multiplication ካለን next እንሰራለን። But when you consider this one, division and addition ስለሆነ division እንሰራለን, then we add with the 7 ጋር እንደምራለን ማለት. After that it becomes multiplication ይሆናል. multiplicationውን መጀመሪያ እንጨርሳለን ማለት before subtraction. After we multiply that one, we subtract the values. Then we complete the bracket. That means the difference between 278 minus 297 no start. After we obtain the difference, we have to take what? Multiply this by negative 1. It becomes plus. So the value is equals to 22 ይሆናል። ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ ሌሎችም ጥያቄዎች ማሳየት ትችላላችሁ። ሌሎች አስተያየቶች፣ ኮሜንቶች ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። ሌላ ጊዜ ሌሎች ጥያቄዎች ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ እንደሆነላችሁ እመኛለሁ። ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ባይ ባይ።